I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to hide a Facebook post from your timeline on an Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone or iPad, and then open your post that you want to hide from your timeline so that people can't see it. Step 2. Tap the ellipses in the top corner of this post to open a menu, and then tap Edit Privacy. The Edit Privacy screen opens where you'll see a menu where you can choose who you want to be able to see the specific Facebook post. Step 3. Tap to select Only Me and then tap Done. That post will no longer be visible on your Facebook timeline and will only be visible to you going forward. You can return to the Edit Privacy screen and change this visibility again at any time. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.